Have you ever felt pain or discomfort after eating a meal with bread or pasta? What if that discomfort was a sign of something more serious? You might be dealing with a sensitivity to something you consume daily, without even realizing it could be harming your health. It's gluten, the protein found in grains like wheat, barley, and rye. For people with celiac disease, gluten can be seriously harmful. If you're wondering whether your diet might be the issue, in this video we'll explore the best diet for managing celiac disease and how to avoid foods containing gluten. Stay with us to learn how to follow a gluten-free diet safely and keep yourself feeling great. First, what is celiac disease? It's an autoimmune disorder where the body has an intense reaction to gluten, causing damage to the small intestine. When someone with celiac disease consumes gluten, the immune system attacks the small intestine, leading to issues with nutrient absorption. A gluten-free diet is the most effective solution for managing this condition. It requires completely removing foods with gluten from your meals. Foods to avoid include bread, pasta, and grains like wheat and barley, as well as many processed foods. But don't worry, there are plenty of healthy gluten-free alternatives like rice, corn, potatoes, and a variety of fruits and vegetables. Starting off with a consultation from a dietitian who specializes in celiac disease can help you understand how to balance your meals. You can rely on naturally gluten-free fresh foods like fruits, vegetables, proteins, and safe grains like rice. Even when eating out, many restaurants now offer gluten-free menu options. A gluten-free diet isn't just about avoiding gluten. It's about protecting your intestines and preventing further damage. If you're newly diagnosed, you might wonder where to start. Here are some easy steps. Make a list of foods to avoid and another list of gluten-free substitutes. When shopping, look for products labeled gluten-free and read the ingredients carefully. This diet isn't challenging for everyone. In fact, the whole family can adjust, even kids. Be sure to read the restaurant menu closely and ask the staff about the ingredients before ordering. Even some drinks can contain gluten, such as certain beers and malt beverages, so avoid them if you have celiac disease. If you're unsure, you can search online for celiac-friendly restaurants in your area. Keep your cooking utensils and dishes separate when preparing gluten-free meals to avoid cross-contamination. Remember, a gluten-free diet will help you feel better and protect your intestinal health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with anyone who might benefit. Subscribe to our channel for more health insights and nutrition tips.